Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about uploading your profile picture and banner. Let's get started. Reddit is not like any social media platform where you want to upload your personal photo. On Reddit, you can use Reddit's default profile photos, or you can use a custom profile picture to upload on your Reddit profile, but it doesn't mean that you have to upload a photo showing how you look like. Reddit allows you to be anonymous on the platform. It's the feature of Reddit that Redditors take advantage of, especially when it comes to sharing their opinion freely. You don't have to upload your own photo. You can upload any photo that will be displayed beside your username on your profile. When you post content, your profile picture won't be seen in your post. People will only see your username. But when a Redditor places a mouse over the username, your profile will be seen in the pop-up window, and it will show your profile photo. If you have created a new profile and you haven't uploaded a profile picture yet, it will be shown as a gray Reddit logo. It won't look good in your profile, so you must upload a profile logo or a default logo that you can find in one of a Redditor's posts. So here's the post where a Redditor shared the links where you can find the default Reddit logos that you can use for your profile. Let's talk about the dimensions of your profile picture and your banner. Profile pictures must be less than 500 KB and must be 256 by 256 pixels, so you'll need a square image. For banners, there can be 3 different sizes. For the small banner, you can use 1920 by 128 pixels. For medium banners, you can use 1920 by 256 pixels. For the large banner, you can use 1920 by 384 pixels. You can use Canva to make a banner. Just go to canva.com and on the search box, look for custom dimensions. Then input the dimensions for a Reddit banner. Let's input 1920 for the width and 256 for the height. So we'll be using a medium banner. Now you can see different templates where you can choose for your banner. If you want to choose a photo, you can use the integrated Pixels or Pixabay app on Canva. Then search for a photo to add here. You may add a text here and edit the color. Now, download the banner. Let's create a profile picture. Input the custom dimensions, 256 by 256 pixels. Click the button, Create a new design. You can also choose a template here, or choose an image from Pixels or Pixabay. Search for a photo to add. Now resize the photo. And when you're done, click Download. Now let's upload a profile photo. Go to your Reddit profile and click on this pencil icon for the profile photo. Now here's our profile photo. Next, let's upload the banner. Click the pencil icon for the banner. Choose the photo we've created on Canva. As you can see, the text is cut off. We can adjust it and place it above this section of the photo, which you can view in the middle, or just remove it. So let's edit the photo on Canva. We can remove the text and then download this again. Upload the new banner on your Reddit profile. Now the text is removed. You may notice that my display name and the username is related to the profile photo and our banner. That is how you can easily upload a customized profile photo and banner. You may notice some profiles with a default Reddit logo, like what you see in this photo. This post shares the default Reddit logos that you can use. You can search for this username and find this post that this user shared. This post shows you the link to the colors of the default Reddit logo. If you click one, you'll see how the gray Reddit photo looks like. If you want to use this color, take note of the code here. If you want this style, copy the code and replace the Y. For the X, we need to replace it with the style of the default Reddit logo. Scroll down and you'll see it here. For example, if you click on this link, this is the design of the Reddit profile that you can use. This is for the gray color, and this section will show you different styles. Choose a style and download it. To make it easier, you can use this table and just click the link in this section to show you the color and the style of the Reddit logo. Then download it. Now you can upload that Reddit logo as your profile photo. Now here's the profile photo that we have downloaded using the Reddit logos on the post. So that is how you can easily upload a profile photo and a banner on your Reddit profile. Now that you know about uploading your profile picture and banner, we can now proceed to the next topic, creating multiple Reddit accounts. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.